Cancer! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Gagawin natin na inyong current energy check-in sa buwan ng June 2024 sa ganap na 3:14 p.m. today at June 23, 2024. At maaaring mag-resonate to Cancer Collective onto the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? And remember na ito isang collective reading. So it only means na maaaring mag-resonate to sa certain collectives, energy na china-channel natin. And kung di kayo mag-resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. Alright, Cancer Collective. Sa mga new viewers natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat sa pakikinig ng inyong mga monthly Tagalog guidance and advices. Okay? So, isa-shuffle ko lang ulit ang mga cards in front of the camera, Cancer. And I'll see you guys in few seconds, okay? Hi Cancer, so simulan na natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading sa buwan ng June. Current energy check-in, papasensya na sa boss ko kasi magkasakit ako. So that's the reason kaya hindi ko nagawa yung ibang mga readings last week. Tindang kaso ako. Yep. So, sa ganap na 3:17 p.m., June 23, 2024, kukuha tayo ng 7 cards sa inyo at ang gamit natin ay ang Oracle Secret Self-Care deck. Okay? So, ready na kayo, Cancer? Okay, so meron kayo sa position 1, make an altar. At position 2, nandiyan ang intuition, Cancer. Connect with fire. At position 3. At position 4, build strength daw. Position 5, meditate. The 6th position, grounding. And write a gratitude list. Okay. So, pasensya na Cancer kasi talaga nagkasakit ako. Alright, so sa position 1 munang pitahan natin, no? Make an altar. Ito yung nasa release position mo. So, it doesn't matter kung anong religious belief system natin, no? It doesn't matter kung atheist ka. It doesn't matter kung you believe sa metaphysical or you're into parang mga other spiritual stuff. It doesn't matter. So, but ito basically is like more, tingnan natin siya, mukha siyang Indian, no? Hinduism, for whatever it is na nag-resonate sa akin. So, sabi, make an altar. Ito yung kailangan mong i-release, no? Meaning, it's something na parang hino-hold back mo na is about time na gawin mo or kailangan pakawalan. Literally let go. Okay? But for me, it's the latter. Not the latter, kasi let go. Yung sinabi ko yung huli, no? So, it's yung first, no? Na dapat mo tong gawin, finally, no? After a long while na baka nagkaroon tayo ng hiatus or break sa ating paniniwala. So, if you believe in something, why not make an altar to remind you para ma-strengthen ang inyong belief and faith about something. No? It could mean anything, like, if you're doing something, I think pag nag-create ka ng altar, it will strengthen and support yung mga beliefs, no? And spiritual and religious, beliefs mo. Okay? Let's say, you're on to manifestation and tarot reading. Make a tarot altar, no? Like, for me, right now, ang ginagamit ko yung computer desk ko kasi lagi ako nandito 7 days in a week, harap ko ang computer. No? I study, I work here, work from home ako. And I do my vlogs as well here. So, parang it's a study, work, / altar na rin. No? So, find this comfort place sa bahay mo where nandun ka lagi nakikipag-connect sa mga, sa whatever you're doing most of the time. No? Maybe you're on to, sabihin natin magic. No? Then, create a magical altar. No? Fill those space ng parang vibe para mas ma-enhance yung practice mo or create a Catholic altar, no? Lagay mo si Mama Mary, si Jesus, a cross, maybe in your bedroom where you always spend time praying, no? It's a good way to connect, no? Ma-intensify ang ating connection sa ating mga gods, no? And deities, whatever, kung di ka Catholic, no? It's more about your spiritual connection. Mas ma-heighten, Cancer. That's the bottom line nito. Now, sa position 2, Cancer, nandyan si intuition. So, marami kang self, no? Physical self mo, yung soul mo, yung higher self mo na may third eye chakra. So, ito yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. Connect with your intuition daw, no? Maybe medyo may talent ka or you're highly intuitive and spiritual. At sinasabi, ipagpatuloy mong i-explore at pag-aralan or gamitin kung anong nalalaman mo. Continue learning, no? Kasi may chance na ma-enhance mo yung knowledge mo, no? Yung knowledge na hindi common knowledge to, yung higher knowledge mo about para mas makilala mo rin yung sarili mo, self-awareness, self-concept, reinvent yourself. Maybe it's also about time then yung intuition mo will lead you to make yourself a better person, Cancer. So, yun to yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. Kung interested ka sa mga tarot readings, sa mga spiritual stuff, ipagpatuloy mo yan kasi sa makakonected sa yung intuition. Kasi ang intuition natin, nandiyan yung ating subconscious mind. Ang ating conscious mind kasi yung nasa physical reality lang, no? Yung logic. Ang subconscious mind, then nangyayari lahat ng creation. So, work on it. Continue working on it. Kahit ano pa yung practice na ginagawa mo now, it doesn't matter. Nire-respect natin ang iba't ibang practice. Just that, as long as wala tayong inaapakang ibang paniniwala, ibang mga belief system, that's okay. Right? So, it's something na kailangan mong i-strengthen at the same time, palakasin. Okay? Now, sa manifestation mo, Cancer, cardinal sign tayo Libra, Cancer, Aries, and Capricorn, no? Sa kanya-kanyang respective elements. Now, sa water, ikaw ang cardinal sign. Connect with fire. Since you are water, maybe it's about time na baka yung sa manifestation mo kasi ang water is more on emotions, di ba? Yun yung nararamdaman mo, what you feel. Okay, ngayon yung feeling na yan, para mag-intensify, kailangan mo ng fire, kailangan mo ng desire. Okay, may mga bagay kang nafe-feel na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Okay? Pero kailangan ma-amplify yung mga feelings na yan para magkaroon tayo. How much do you desire? Yun, nandun yung level na how much you want it. Do you want it so bad? Do you want it passionately? Yung mga minamanifest mo. So, yun ang dapat. Ang point dito ay sa lahat ng mga gusto mong mangyari, i-intensify mo yung feelings na yan further. Kasi, feeling is the secret, no? Sa mga ano natin. Pag the more you desire on something, how much you desire it, how much you want it, mag-impregnate yan kasi sa subconscious mind mo. Diba? Sa thoughts mo eventually. And you will see it, no? Na mangyayari sa reality mo. Okay? And back it up also with action kasi fire is connected with action sa mga manifestations. Okay, Cancer? I hope it's making sense so far, no? Ngayon, sa kahit anong area to ng life mo, no? Love life, personal relationship with friends, family, no? Or even sa workspace, career mo, sa financial stability and security, any place, sa general life mo to, maaari mag-resonate. Ngayon, may boxer dito na babae na open ang kanyang third eye chakra at nakapikit siya sumusuntok, no? Build strength yung external energy mo. So, maaaring yung mga energy around you this time, it's parang ini-encourage ka na mas palakasin mo yung physical strength mo. Maaaring literally yung good health, no? Baka yun, ang nangangailangan din ng attention mo. Yung mga external energy na to na nakaka-influence sa'yo right now. Or hinihikayat ka, fino-force ka na mas palakasin mo yung loob mo, yung courage mo. Could be also challenges, could be also inspiration. At sinasabi doon na huwag ka basta-basta mag-give up. Na yung mga external circumstances na yan, huwag ka basta-basta sumuko. It may challenge you physically, yung physical strength mo, no? Maybe it will also challenge yung physical self mo. Okay? So, ang sinasabi dito, put importance sa health mo rin, sa wellness mo. And it should be, alam mo, mas importante ang self-care mo sa sarili mo muna over those mga external circumstances. Okay, prioritize mo. Build strength, yung outer strength to, nakikita ko, physical strength. Okay? Maybe sa emotional strength, medyo mataas na, no? Kasi nandiyan ang intuition at yung gumawa ka doon ng altar para mag-connect ka, ma-heighten, ma-amplify yung mga feelings mo, yung spiritual growth mo, and at the same time, wag mapapabayaan yung physical health mo. Dapat balance, yun ang sinasabi dito. Okay? So, meron din yung mga external influences na to, ini-influence ka na palakasin ng sarili mo. You go to the gym, no, alam mo yon, you take care of your body, you go to spa, take care of your wellness, ano, kasi nakaka-relax. Last week, pumunta ako para magpamasahe ng likod. Ang daming lamig na natanggal sa akin. Kaya pala sakit-sakit ng leeg ko, saka ng back ko. Ang dami na talagang lamig. Kasi, katrabaho tayo, syempre, napapagod, naipon. So, these things, build strength, Kasi hindi pa rin puro work, puro tayo. Ibang taong inasikas natin, nakakalimutan natin yung sarili natin. So, it's also a reminder for you, Cancer. Okay? Now, kasi self-care deck to, More catered tong deck na to para sa'yo. Okay? Now, nandito ang meditate. So, may mind, body, and spirit na advice dito. Cancer. Meditate daw. Ito yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. Which makes sense dahil hinihikayat ka na gumawa ka ng altar mo, ng sacred space mo. Sa bedroom mo, kung saan ka lagi. Sa living room mo, sa garden mo man yan. Saan ka ba lagi? Sa workspace mo, gumawa ka ng mini altar sa desk mo. So, ayun yung sinasabi. Make an altar, yung intuition mo. Binakapan ng meditate. Ito yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. Since when ka ba nag-meditate? Prayer is also a form of meditation. Visualization is a form of meditation. Going on a nature or, me time mo is also meditation. When was the last time nag-reflect ka about your life, about yourself? Mga things na gusto mong i-continue or i-improve at yung mga things na gusto mong baguhin sa buhay mo. It could also be self-concept. Baguhin mo yung the way you see yourself. Dapat fill yourself with positive affirmations for yourself. You are beautiful, you are handsome, you are confident, you are smart, you are courageous, you are intelligent, these things. And eventually, pag naging true yan, yung self-concept na yan, what you believe in, you believe to be true, yan ang ma-embody mo, and eventually ma-attract rin ng ibang tao because of the new self-concept na ini-embody mo. Okay? The last time I meditate, I just practiced it from the past few months, was this morning. I meditate every day, guys. So if I can do it for 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, 10 minutes in a day, then it really makes a difference, about you. Okay? Ngayon, sa 6th position mo, ang new beginnings mo, kasi ang meditate mo connect with fire, Ang new beginnings mo, so may queen to, nagme-meditate siya, tapos may root dito, may heart chakra, may crown chakra, nandito ang rainbow, ground yourself. Okay, and at the same time, like I said, may pagka-earth energy to. So you see, halo-halo, may emotions, may water, nandiyan ang physical din, nandiyan ang fire. Nandiyan din ang earth. Okay? So, sa mga new beginnings mo, ground yourself daw. Meaning, yung mga new beginnings mo, make sure na mangyayari, na maso-solidify. Makikita mong mangyayari sa physical reality mo, sa current reality mo. Hindi lang siya basta-basta pangakong napapako or mga nagbibuild tayo ng castle in the sand na pag na tamaan ng tubig, wasak na, or nagbibuild tayo ng castle in the air na drawing lang, di ba? So, ground yourself. Make sure yung mga new beginnings mo, gumawa tayo ng mga bagong simula na may panghahawakan tayo, okay, na solid, na binuild talaga on the ground, physical reality mo, na, ano ba yung pag sinabi natin physical reality? Mga kasunduan, pinirmahang kontrata, diba? It's grounded, it's binded. Sa love life, commitment, engagement, proposal, make sure na there's an effort, sa mga ginagawa mo sa buhay, and mag-accumulate over time lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, maririp mo yung mga rewards mo. So, ground yourself, So, make sure lang na it's something na binded na nakatayo solid, na nakikita at nararamdaman natin at nahahawakan. Okay? Nakikita, nararamdaman, nahahawakan at pinaniniwalaan. Okay, Cancer? Now, at the center, write a gratitude list. Have you ever been thankful sa mga bagay sa buhay mo? Now, kasi ang isang form din ng manifestation is gratitude, no? Mag-list down ka raw, no? Ito yung lesson na dapat mong matutunan or you have yet to learn. Mag-list down ka raw ng gratitude list, Cancer, no? The things you are grateful for. Thank you, Lord, for blessing me with perfect health. Thank you, Lord, for blessing me with a very supportive parents and brothers and sisters. Thank you for giving me a loving and pet name, Elliot. That's the name of my dog. Thank you for the friendships that has stayed with me in my life. You know, these things you should be grateful for. Hindi kailangan tong material things. These things na make your heart happy, Cancer. Alright? Write a gratitude list. Okay? And read them. And remind yourself that you are blessed. Baka nakakalimutan na natin, no? Kasi mas focus tayo sa mga bagay na sa mga blessings more than sa kung ano yung lacking, no? Kasi it will give you, open yourself to abundance, no? To a lot of opportunities. Pag you keep on reminding yourself about things that you should be grateful for. Okay? So, sana, Cancer, nag-resonate tong reading na to sa inyo, no? And I'll see you guys on your next month Tagalog reading. Kung di man to nag-resonate, I will tap into your energy next time. Take care, Cancer. God bless and mahal ko kayo. Bye!